Hey there, my name is Samyak and I'm the founder at CommandDash, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use CommandDash to integrate any package or API without having to go through its documentation. So let's get into action. So let's just say that you are in your VS Code and you want to integrate, you're building a basic application, let's just say in Flutter, and you want to integrate Stream APIs into your code base. So Stream, for those who don't know, is a communication SDK where you can use it to create chat experiences, video calling experiences without having to write all that code. If we want to build with it, if we go to SendBird's documentation, is actually quite big. They have SDKs for various platforms. They offer you chatbots, calling, desk, live SDK, and it's like really difficult to understand where to get started. But if you have the SendBird agent within CommandDash, all you have to go is install the agent, select @SendBird from the agent's drop-down list, and then you can just say what you want to build. So I can just ask, build me a Flutter app that supports chat and one-on-one video calling. That's it, and I can send my code. It will analyze it. The SendBird agent knows everything about SendBird, their examples, their documentation, the latest GitHub issues, and it can help me with anything within my code base. Since the agent works from my IDE, it knows everything about the code that I've already written. So the examples and the code snippets that it will be giving me will be contextualized to my code base. So we'll wait a second. We have an answer from the SendBird agent. It has created an application for us, and it has taken care of everything that I need to do without reading the documentation. So I can just go to my main file, select it all, and just replace the code, and that is it. We have customized SendBird chat, messaging and video calling integrated, and I can install the required dependencies, test it out, and if I'm facing issues, I can ask follow-ups to the SendBird agent like, hey, the video calling is giving this error, maybe some random error that I'm receiving, and I can just ask how do I fix it, and the SendBird agent will tell me exactly how to fix that particular error. So this way it makes it very easy for developers to integrate any API or SDK without having to go through its docs, save a lot of time, support costs, and get things done very fast. Thanks. The extension is available from the CommandDash marketplace. You can download our extension from VS Code, and it's soon also coming into other IDEs as well. Thanks so much.